Welcome everyone to our latest video at Rappid Technologies. In today's video, we are thrilled to introduce you to our brand new free API, the YouTube Video Tags Extractor. This incredible tool allows you to effortlessly extract video tags from any YouTube video. All you need to do is simply pass the video URL to this API and it does the rest for you. As you can observe, the process is quite straightforward. We will take this YouTube video link and pass it to our API. Once that's done, our API will work its magic and provide you with a comprehensive list of all the tags associated with this video. It's a hassle-free way to access the valuable information. And if you are a web developer, you can easily incorporate our YouTube Video Tags Extractor API into your website or web application or Android applications as well. Similar to this API, we offer variety of other free APIs as well for YouTube and various other applications. In our next video, we have an exciting API to share with you that provides a real-time YouTube count and views for your channel or any channel you are interested in. It's a fantastic tool to keep track of your channel's performance and gain a valuable insight. Find the link to access this API in the video description below. Additionally, we kindly ask you to show us support by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Your support motivates us to create more useful content and tools for you. Thank you for being a part of Rappid Technology community. Stay tuned to our upcoming videos where we will introduce you to even more interesting and complementary APIs for you. We look forward to sharing these valuable resources with you in our next video.